I don't want to try that. No, I don't want. Seriously, I'll throw up.
Even the main chef said you gotta try it.
All right, fine. Quickly then.
With an impressive variety, tacos are one of the principal meals in Mexico.
So, what's your favorite type of taco?
La carne asada.
Asada. Adobada. Shrimp, I would say salmon.
You look a bit like a vegetarian.
Taco belly.
Yes.
I love tacos, quesadillas, but most I like is asada.
Adobada. It is al pastor, or it is like pork.
Learning new dishes isn't always an easy process.
Esta mano acá.
Your hands must be prepared to handle strange new machinery. But with a little help from a master, all things can be learned.
Wow, like butter.
Okay.
Orchids.
Though the process can seem delicate,
Okay, acá.
persistence is the key.
There we go. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna pick up the tortilla here. Oh, fuck, that's hot. Bloody hell. So, I need that today. Gracias.
The most ingredients in taco is salsa, guacamole. That's the best test.
Well, that one went well.
After that, the meat. Gotta be good meat.
So what have we got next then?
The tripa.
The tripa, yeah. What is the tripa?
Es de res.
La tripa es
Intestino de res.
intestino de res.
Of course it is. So it's the intestines of, of which, bleeding hell. Lovely, right, okay. Well, I just kind of hack down on these. Okay, he's gonna...
Eso lo detiene.
See.
Así se va. Y así lo detienes y ya.
Yeah, I'm new to cutting up intestine, strangely.
Guided by the hands of a culinary angel, you are an instrument of God, always ready to face a new experience head on.
Bleeding hell, look at this bloody... So I've never actually eaten a taco before, so this is my first experience. It's a very different food in England, so... It's not intestine juice or anything, is it? Right, okay. So, right, so now I'm gonna eat this. So I eat it like this? Oh, bloody hell, that's fucking hot. Oh, I see, like this, yeah. Oh, so you slurp like...
In Mexico's warmth, a feast to unfold. Chef Joe's journey, a tale to be told.
Oh, like a wrap. So.
A novice in taco lore. Intestine tacos beckon, a new taste to explore.
I don't want. Seriously, I'll throw up.
Even the main chef said you gotta try it.
All right, fine. Quickly then.
Brave Chef Joe, with gusto he leans. Cow intestine tacos, where boldness convenes.
I didn't mean to be insulting, but it's just, it's horrible. Fucking intestine and shit.
Lime and
So he's
salt,
putting lime
a
on
zesty embrace.
And what I hope is salt.
Elevating
yeah,
intestine
it gets rid of the
tacos,
whole-
a savory grace.
Maybe I'll think about the lime instead of... This is a night, I mean, it's just not my...
Cow's intestines embraced with
Alright,
care.
yeah.
Chef Joe's palate becomes an affair.
It's just the thought of it, but gracias. It's still not my favorite. It's a very gummy kind of taste.
In the taco's fold, bold flavors entwine. A second bite of intestines, a culinary sign.
I fucking hate. Lovely intestine.
Cow intestines, a flavorful art. Culinary connection, from heart to heart.
Work. And now for something else. This is my first ever baseball experience ever. I'm a professional chef.
Help Chef Joe restore culinary order across the United Kingdom. Support his quest by subscribing to our wonderful YouTube channel. On behalf of the royal family, we thank you all.